Hello everyone, let's see how to put your iPad Pro on silent mode. So there are two ways to do that. The first one is easy, but if the menu or the option is not available there, so we will first see the proper way of doing it. So for that, you just have to swipe down from the top, or you can search the settings icon in your icons box. So let's search for it. I've already searched for it, so it's in my menu. Let's click on settings. In here, on the search, you will have to type in sounds. This is the most easiest option, and in sounds you have to select on sounds and haptics. So once you click on sound and haptics, you will have the very first option over here, which is the silent mode, and you just have to turn it on, so the iPad will go silent completely. Now this was the first option. The second option is from the right top corner, just pull the bar down just till here, the first option from here, and in here you should see this bell icon, which is should be visible over here, this bell icon, and you just have to tap that and it goes on silent. And if this is not available over here, you just click the plus icon on this menu. There is a plus icon over here, click there, and from here you can select add a control, and you can have that bell icon somewhere in this thing, and you just select that. So for example, I have that, but let's say I want to add productivity. I'll click productivity and it gets added over here in this menu, and you see the new icon is present over here. So this is how simple it is to put your iPad Pro on silent mode.